Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin's last dip and why the price will likely never drop below $30,000. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why this is likely the last dip before the parabola and why price will never drop below $30,000. Before we get into it, guys, like the video. It helps out so gosh darn much. Now, today, Fear and Greed Index at 68, up from yesterday's 66. The overall market, though, down 1%. Bitcoin at 37,004. Ethereum at 2018. BNB at 225. XRP 60 cents. Solana $54. Cardano 37 cents. Dogecoin 7 cents. And Tron 10 cents. And Bitcoin continuing up this nice support line that we have been in since March of this year. Continuing right now, facing support on that line once again. Now this occurs, the slight dip we had after Bitcoin saw some stiff resistance at 38.5, which would be right here, this UTXO line right here on the UTXO realized price distribution. Now, even though we did see some resistance there, you will see there is quite a bit of support at $37,000 where we are right now. And should we break through to the upside, kind of clear sailing until about $47,000 for Bitcoin. This could very well be the last accumulation period for Bitcoin. You can see some support right here, some resistance here, the last dip of accumulation before pretty much all up parabola territory could likely be in that last accumulation phase right now before a large upward move for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, there's evidence right now that Bitcoin price may never drop below $30,000 again. If we take a look here, each time we have these very strong horizontal bands, which you can see right here, numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This would be number 8. Each time this has occurred, Bitcoin price has never broken through to the bottom once again. So these are price regions where much of the supply moved between investors, reflecting strong agreed upon price, 30,000 likely being the next bottom. If we have a peak and then crashing back down, well, $30,000 may be the bottom. Not too bad, especially when you consider this. The last week, crypto investment products saw their largest inflows of the year at $350 million. Could be signs of ETF front running or a prelude of continued institutional demand. Either way, things are looking very good for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. We have evidence the bottom is already in a year ago. You can see the bottoms here are these blue dots based on liquidity signals and Kijun Sen. And right now, you can see the yellow dot occurring. These are areas where generally things accelerate very, very quickly for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrencies. If we take a look where we are though, we are not yet towards a distribution period. Even though price is up over 100% from the bottom, we have not started to see any profit taking occurring yet, which we saw towards the last bull market. The accumulation is still occurring. People are still buying, even though the price is going up, not yet selling. And if we take a look here also on the realized cap HODL waves, the warmer color low time frame waves are only just starting to increase as coins are transferred on chain. No FOMO yet. FOMO occurs when we see these very large spikes towards the top, still very, very early in the cycle. As a matter of fact, the Bitcoin stock RSI has just crossed into the overbought area greater than 80. And it may stay in this area for over 2 years, creating a nice BART pattern in the stock RSI. This is bull run territory, could be headed towards nice bull run territory for the next upcoming years. We are 10 months past the bottom, and this will likely carry us all the way to the next all-time high, making it a very easy way to go. In 2024, you hold, similar to 2020 and 2016. In 2025, you take profit, very similar to 2021 or 2017. And in 2026, we all go away and or retire, which brings us to where Bitcoin could likely be at the beginning of next year. If we take a look based on the weekly Ichimoku cloud. Based on this, similar to previous cycles, this could potentially have a $43,000 Bitcoin by about January pre-halving. So that is the next target for Bitcoin. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like it. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.